Ready to get your new AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart up and running without a hitch? You've come to the right place. First things first, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need your new AT&T prepaid phone, the SIM card that came with it, and ideally, a pen and paper to jot down a few important details. Now, gently unbox your phone and locate the SIM card. It's usually in a small plastic holder. Carefully pop out the SIM card. You'll often find activation instructions printed right on the SIM card holder or a separate insert. Next, find the SIM tray on your AT&T phone. You might need to use a small tool or sometimes a paperclip. To eject the tray, place your AT&T prepaid SIM card into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly according to the tray's shape, and then slide the tray back into the phone. Power on your AT&T phone. It might take a minute or two for it to fully start up. Once it's on, you'll likely see a prompt to begin the activation process. There are a couple of ways to activate. The easiest is often through the phone itself. Look for an app or a prompt that says activate or set up service. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might need to enter your new phone number if one wasn't automatically assigned, or confirm your plan details. If you prefer to activate over the phone, or if the on-screen prompts aren't clear, you can call AT&T's activation line. The number is usually found on the SIM card packaging or on a sticker on the phone box, often listed as Activate Your Service. When you call, have your phone handy and be ready to provide the IMEI number, which is a unique identifier for your device. You can usually find this by dialing 06# on your phone, or it might be printed on the SIM card holder or the phone's original box. Once your activation is complete, your phone will likely restart after it boots up again. You should see signal bars and be able to make calls and use data. Congratulations! Your AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart is now activated and ready to go.